Hi, I'm Ricky. I'm the Group Concrete Products Manager from DEWALT, coming to you from World of Concrete 2020. Here we're going to highlight our DCV 585 125 CFM dust extractor. This tool has a couple of really key features that we're going to cover right now. One is our twin HEPA filter system with fleece bag. Another big feature on this tool, though, is our wireless tool control. This allows the tool to either work via the prepared remote that ships with every unit, or with tools like our DCH614. You'll notice the link icon. They both match. It allows the user to know, hey, they work together. One of the other big features, though, on this tool is our airlock connection. This allows you to have a secure locking connection. It will actually attach to over a dozen different accessories, like this drilling shroud. Thanks for your time. DEWALT, guaranteed tough.
Remember when?
The Pocket Jig 300 by Milescraft. Whether you're building decks, fences, outdoor furniture, or framing walls, this heavy-duty jig has you covered. It creates 50% stronger joints than standard pocket hole jigs, making it perfect for 2x4 projects or 1.5-inch boards and larger. It's made of durable, dense material with hardened steel drill bushings, a 1/2-inch high-speed steel step drill bit, a built-in depth stop setting for accurate collar alignment, and a split design stop collar with flat to prevent slipping and rolling. Flip the front fence down to drill in freeboards, or flip the front fence up for already fitted joints. Its recessed clamp pocket allows secure clamp placement, and a rare earth magnet keeps clamps in place for quick use. The chip ejector vents eliminate clogs and create smooth, precise holes. The magnetic T25 Torx driver ensures strong, consistent holds. The 1/4-inch hex shank bits are quick change compatible, which is sold separately. And its rugged storage case keeps everything organized and ready to use. The Milescraft Pocket Jig 300 is a heavy-duty pocket hole jig that's the ideal solution for bigger projects. Milescraft. Always the better idea.
Mirka Mirlon is a non-woven abrasive sanding pad that is ideal for preparing bare wood for finish, scuff sanding and denibbing between coats of finish, sanding profiled surfaces, and even maintaining cast iron and steel woodworking tools like table saw tops and hand planes. Unlike steel wool, Mirlon won't shed fibers that embed in wood surfaces, making it ideal for use with water-based finishes. With the sanding grit bonded on all sides of each fiber, new grit is exposed as the pad wears, so it will produce consistent results for its entire life. The soft, flexible nature of Mirlon makes it comfortable to use and allows it to form to irregular shapes, like moldings, without destroying those crisp details. Mirlon also excels as an applicator pad for oil and wax finishes. The synthetic fibers won't absorb the finish like a rag, and the fine abrasive action helps burnish the wood at the same time. Available in 2 grits that are easily identified by color, maroon is 360 grit and equivalent to a 2/0 steel wool. Gray is 1500 grit and equivalent to a 4/0 steel wool. Improve your finishing skills and make sanding a more enjoyable process with Mirka Mirlon sanding pads.
Bring a whole new level of precision in setting up your router table and other tools with JessEm's new tool setting gauge. To adjust the gauge, loosen the brass knob and adjust the blade in 1/16 of an inch increments. Now, using the tool as a feeler gauge, you can quickly set the height of your router bit. With the extended reach of the blade, it is very easy to set the height of profile bits. Now set the gauge on its side to set the distance your bit projects from the fence. To set the distance between the bit and the fence, use the dual scale so it references from the top edge of the blade. Now adjust your fence back and lay the base of the gauge against the fence, and adjust the fence until the bit touches the blade. JessEm's new tool setting gauge will quickly become an indispensable tool in your shop.
The M12 multi-tool has plenty of power to cut through whatever you would need to cut.
The cutting speed is awesome. It's twice as fast. It cuts way better than the other multi-tools in the category.
The cutting speed is way faster than any other multi-tool I've used.
It feels faster, vibration is less, but you can tell the tool's a lot more aggressive.
It's very powerful. It's a small package with a powerful motor.
Less fatigue you put on yourself, you can actually put that back into the product that you're doing, and you will always have a little bit more efficient job.
I use it for drywall cutting. I use it for grout removal.
Finish nails, I've used it on rough nails, softwood, hardwood.
I like the tool-free blade change. Just flip the lever, unscrew it probably a quarter of the way, and you can slide the blade out, put a new blade in, and you're back to cutting.
When you go to somewhere that's dark, having an extra light to get in those precise corners helps you get a lot more precise. The tool allows you to do your job perfectly.
It does everything I need it to and keeps running. It is very well designed, and it definitely is heavy duty.